If you're building a powerful PC and want to protect your GPU from sag, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the best graphics card holder, the Asus ROG Herculex graphics card holder, designed to deliver rock-solid support, clean looks, and smart RGB style. Let's get started.
Product features.
Strong GPU support. Engineered to handle even the heaviest graphics cards, this holder prevents GPU sag and protects your motherboard from long-term stress during daily use or intense gaming. Adjustable height design. With an adjustable height range of 72 to 128 millimeters, the Herculex easily adapts to different GPU sizes and PC layouts, ensuring a perfect and secure fit in most builds. No PCIe slot usage. Its smart stand-style design supports your GPU without occupying PCIe slots, keeping expansion options open and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of chassis. Toolless installation. An adjustable wheel and quick release button make installation fast and tool-free, saving time and reducing hassle during upgrades or maintenance. Built-in spirit level. The integrated spirit level helps you align the holder perfectly, ensuring proper GPU positioning for both stability and a clean, professional look. Customizable ARGB lighting. The embedded 3D ARGB element syncs seamlessly with Asus Aura Sync, allowing full lighting customization to match your RGB setup effortlessly. Durable premium build. High-quality materials ensure long-lasting durability, making this holder a reliable solution for protecting your graphics card investment over time. Pros: excellent support for heavy GPUs, wide compatibility with PC cases, easy tool-free setup, adjustable height for precise fitting, Aura Sync RGB customization, enhances both stability and aesthetics. Cons: RGB features are best enjoyed within Asus ecosystems. Premium design may cost more than basic GPU brackets. Final thoughts: the Asus ROG Herculex graphics card holder perfectly balances strength, flexibility, and style. If you want reliable GPU support, clean installation, and stunning RGB integration, this is a standout choice for any modern PC build. A small upgrade can make a big difference in your PC's safety and style. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more honest tech reviews and product breakdowns.